Hello, I am Dr. KBD Praveen. I came from Visakhapatnam. I am a clinical director for Innova Cancer Hospital and managing director for Vizag Pain Clinic. I joined this hybrid course on endoscopic spine. I believe that not just people who are interested in endoscopic spine, but every pain physician must undergo this course, because here you will get to know so many fundamentals, starting from the basics from fluoroanatomy to the advanced endoscopic spine procedures. Here Dr. Surangi sir is offering a hybrid course where he takes online lectures as well as cadaveric hands-on and live workshop. Here you will get to know the best and complete understanding of anatomy, spine anatomy, radiological anatomy as well as surgical anatomy. Towards the end of the course, you will have very good idea about the approach to any patient with spinal or radicular pain. How to approach, how to use your MRI scan to navigate and plan your procedure, your surgical incision techniques, your endoscopic incision techniques and surgical techniques you will get to know in a better way. Not just regarding the surgical part, but even for the pain physicians who are not practicing endospine, you can better improve your normal MIPSI procedure skills and understanding of your non-invasive or minimally invasive spine interventions after this course is over. Thank you.